In this video, I am going to show you how you can create deepfakes completely free of cost. So let's start. So this is the website which we are going to use to create the deepfakes. So this is the open source project and still under progress. So whatever result we get are not that accurate, but still good. So we can explore this tool. So if you don't know about the deepfakes, to create the deepfake, we need one image and one video. So here you can see the input image. Here the default image is of Donald Trump and driving video. Okay, you can see. So in deepfakes, we just copy the movement, action, or expressions from the video to the image. Okay, that is nothing but deepfake. So you can see here, this is the output. Okay, here by default provided this image, this video. Okay, and we got this output. So whatever the expressions here in the output, which are being copied from this video, you can. So this is the source image on which we will add the movement, expression, or actions, you can say. And this is the driving video which will be used to create the deepfake. Here below you can see the dataset name. So here are different dataset. I have explored all this dataset, but only the aux is working well. So we will just use the aux, and I would recommend you to just use aux. You can try if you want. You can try different dataset, but only aux is working properly right now. These are some examples you can see. Okay, if you want to see more examples, so you can just click on this view more examples. And this example we already saw. This is the second example. Okay, source image, and this is the driving video. This is different video, different expression, you can see. And this is the same video, only the source image is different. Okay, so if you want to try this by your own, let's say this this video. Okay, so I'll just click on this tweak it. Okay, now we can just experiment by our own. So let's say I want to change this image. Okay, so I'll just click on this drop a file or click to select. Okay, so I'll just select this Ranbir Kapoor photo. Okay, and open. And now I'll just keep this driving video only, and the dataset name is aux only, and submit. So it take around 1 minute to process completely, or less than that as well. You can see it's running, it's applying, it's creating the deepfake video. Let's see what kind of output we get. Yeah, we got the output. Okay, you can see. You can see like whatever the movements and the expression this girl has in this video, same are applied to the Ranveer photo. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, so if you want to download, you can just click on download. Okay, and here you need to click on this three dots and download, and it will be downloaded. You can see. More we can do, we can change the driving video as well. Let's see. Okay, now I'll take the another different image. I'll just take this image of this Shraddha Kapoor. You can see. Yeah, and I'll just change this driving video as well. So I have video in my computer. I'm just getting that. So this is the video. Okay, driving video. And I'm just clicking on submit. So our result is getting generated. You can see the video, it's generated. Yeah, whatever this expressions she has in the video. Okay, we got for Shraddha as well. Okay, so the smile, you can say it's exactly same. So this is how you can create the deepfake videos. Okay, so likewise you can try by your own. Okay, so here you can see the TED Talk deepfake video, but that is not working that properly. I have tried. So that was it. I hope you like this video. So I have already made a lot of videos on the AI tools like Dalle, after that Blue Willow, playground. So if you want to know about that, so you can check my playlist of the AI tools. If you're looking for free text to image AI tool and which can be used commercially as well, then click on the right video. So if you want to know about Dalle tool from the scratch, then click on the left hand side video. Hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.